Vision is usually the dominant sense used by people with sight. The eye is the organ of sight and is shaped as a slightly irregular hollow sphere. To get a better view, let's enlarge the eye and turn off the lights. Here's a midline view. Various structures in the eye enable it to translate light into recognizable images. Among these are the cornea, the lens, and the retina. Light from this candle can be used to show how the eye translates light waves into images. First, the candlelight passes through the cornea, a clear dome-like structure covering the iris, or colored part of the eye. The cornea bends or refracts the candlelight onto the lens. The light is then refracted a second time while passing through the lens, finally focusing on the retina. The retina is the light-sensitive part of the eye. This double refraction causes the image of the candle to appear reversed and turned upside down on the retina. Fortunately, that's not the end of the story, or the world would appear upside down. The image gets turned right side up in the brain, which is connected to the eye by the optic nerve. Impulses travel down the optic nerve to the occipital lobe of the brain, which then interprets the image of the candle in the correct perspective. Next, let's take a look at a couple of common conditions that cause blurry vision. The shape of the eye is very important in keeping things we see in focus. If the shape of the eye changes, it affects a person's vision. Normally, light is precisely focused onto the retina at a location called the focal point. Because a nearsighted eye is longer from front to back than a normal eye, light is focused in front of the retina instead of directly onto it. This makes it difficult to see things that are far away. A person with a long eye is referred to as nearsighted. Glasses with concave lenses are used to correct nearsightedness. The concave lens focuses light back onto the focal point of the retina. Farsightedness occurs when the length of the eye is too short. Light is focused at a point behind the retina, making it difficult to see things that are up close. A convex lens is used to correct farsightedness because it directs the focal point back onto the retina.